come on out. It's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, this video is sponsored by oh girl, I'm drunk. It is sponsored by Roadside Hawks. Y'all, they are a 24-hour roadside service. Y'all check them out if you're in the Atlanta or Texas area, and they do financing too, girl. So if you break down on the side of the road, hit them up, girl. And also, girl, this video is also sponsored by Anibiu, girl. Wigs, well, Anibiu, the company, girl, they sent over some wigs. These are like the anime cosplay wigs. I did pick out like 6 wigs, y'all. So girl, I just want to be a black girl cosplay, you know what I'm saying, girl? I mean, dang, I'm tired of y'all in these damn lace fronts, girl, tearing up my edges. I'm ready to wear these wigs, girl. I'm ready to live my life with the Asians, you know what I'm saying? Will y'all welcome a ratchet girl into y'all open arms or what? Am I welcome? Because, girl, I'm just trying to live a little razzle dazzle too. You feel me? I mean, girl, that's all I want to do. But y'all know I got me some cute wigs, girl. And when I tell you, I'm gonna be doing some makeup looks and all, baby girl. But anyway, it comes in these cute little bags, and they make sure everything is always separate and whatnot. But girl, you finna see these bomb wigs, and you're gonna see how good I'm looking. You feel me? All right, y'all, the time has come. The first one is this shindigger. Bye-bye. Girl, the first one is this one. Girl, excuse that noise. My cat is in there fighting hard down, fighting this cat toy I bought her. I mean, okay, this is the first wig that I got. Honey, come on out. Let's see how it looks on you, girl. I know I'm gonna be looking good and whatnot, cause that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing new, baby. Ooh, child, I'm looking like a melon drop. Girl, I look good. Girl, I always wanted to do anime, y'all. So this is not no game, y'all. This is not for joking purposes, honey. This is for me to look good doing what I'm doing. And I'm finna really F y'all up. I'm finna really do my thing now. Cause look. Y'all done messed up. Ooh, baby. Come with it. Ooh, y'all messed up when y'all did this. Ooh, girl, baby, ain't no more lace fronts for me, honey. I'm straight anime. I'm cosplaying now. I'm a nice black woman. Y'all can let me in. Look at me, y'all. This is cute, girl. Bump them lace fronts. But y'all know, let me in the community. But if y'all get to talk crazy, baby, what was it? Cause baby, I can take these ponytails off and throw these hands. It ain't nothing. So if you see me at the convention and I go to take my ponytails off, you better catch these hands, baby. Don't play like that. Ooh, girl, I looks good. I look good, and I look good, yeah. Ooh, girl, reading rainbow, girl. When I tell you, oh baby, y'all might as well let me in the game. I look good. Oh, girl, next wig, girl, cause these are cute as hell. You hear me? Ooh, girl, this is a 2-piece hairstyle. I mean, like, girl, you can have this hairstyle or you can have your ponytails, baby. The choice is yours. Next wig, girl, I'm gonna get the next wig for y'all, baby. But this one is, girl, I don't know, that might be hard to beat, girl. Cause that's my favorite, girl. You know. And to give me a set of ponytails with that. Girl, you know what? Y'all gonna catch me in the club with that on, baby. I don't care nothing about them lace fronts no more. I don't care nothing about them lace fronts, baby. This is what I want. This is cute. This is cute, y'all. Where have I been? Y'all, if it's any, girl, I ain't gonna say black girls. I ain't gonna discriminate, but girl, if it's some brown girls, you know, if y'all want to be cosplaying with me, girl, hit your girl up, girl. I'm ready. I mean, where y'all been at? Why y'all ain't tell me this stuff so cute? Girl, okay, y'all. Oh, oh, girl, my cap. Oh, oh, what in the, oh, girl, okay. Oh, girl, this one might be a little too synthetic for the girl, okay. I can't say that. Oh, girl, my cap ain't even out. I can't say these are soft wigs, girl. These are cute, y'all. Oh, and it's long, girl. Okay. Okay, but it might mat up on you, girl. Okay, let's get her right, girl. You know what? You know what? Y'all know I'm ready to set it off. Y'all know I'm ready to set it off. You know what, y'all? I know I look good. I know I look good, but I'm finna show you how I can look even better. Better. You know I had to set it off. You know. Baby. Girl. Set it off on the left. Y'all, set it off. Ooh, my ears going to the side like a hurricane blowing. Hurricane Dorian? What happened? Did you do this? Girl, I'm ready to. Girl, live my. Girl. Okay, this number 2, y'all. What y'all feeling? What am I giving, girl? I mean, girl, what was that girl? Alice in Wonderland, girl. I just fell down the rabbit hole, girl. I mean, I'm ready to do my thing. I'm ready to. Girl. What this mean, girl? Does it mean I'm aroused? Girl, look. My man gone. Ooh, my man back home. Let's do it. Ooh. Just kidding, y'all. I mean, it might be some kids watching. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's go wrestle. When we go in the room and wrestle sometime. We don't do nothing like that. We just be wrestling. All right, y'all. What y'all feeling about 2? This is cute. Y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all like funny videos and whatnot, but this is damn cute, girl. I just can't. Y'all, let me go to the next wig, girl. I just thought y'all should see the wigs I ordered and the cosplay stuff I got, girl. I'm ready, y'all. If y'all know any Korean sites that I could get, like, my best friend just moved to Japan, girl. So if y'all know any Korean sites that I could go to, girl, not Korean but Asian sites, I want to get clothes, like clothing, like the cute skirts and stuff, y'all. I want to get that to go with my little outfits, girl. See, I should have had the clothes to go with these too, so girl, I could, like, girl, be cute with it, girl. Y'all, I don't know, girl, this stuff just make my day, y'all. If anybody know me personally, they know that, girl, I love cute stuff, and girl, Asians just make the cutest stuff. I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty, girl. My or like that Gatotoma, whatever, that little egg, girl, anything that is so cute, girl. I'm trying to save up my money so I can be able to visit my best friend in Japan and go thrifting, girl. I just, you know, I still like a little hood rat stuff, but y'all, that really brightens my spirit up when I get to, like, get little stuff, like when my best friend buy me them little Vaseline bottles, just because it's so little, y'all. Oh my God, girl. Some of y'all may know, but I got a pink beetle, even though she outside sick right now, girl. She in ICU, girl. She won't crank up. But anyway, that's another story. But anyway, girl, I don't drive a pink beetle for nothing, girl. I just love cute little stuff. Okay, girl. Oh, I might have put my cap a little too small on this. I put it on the smallest one. Oh, girl. All right, y'all. Oh. Girl. Okay then. Oh, girl. Y'all I got incense burning, and I got clothes in the dryer, and it's a lot going on. But y'all, this is cute as hell. I mean, girl, I'm finna be role playing with my man. This Girl, these wigs cute as hell. Oh, girl, but you know, I always got to set it off with a little razzle dazzle. Ooh. Girl, let me clip her. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, yes. Girl, look at the, girl, I mean, what y'all saying? What is y'all saying? Girl, I'm cute as hell. Y'all can say what y'all want to say, but I know I look good. Girl, these wigs cute as hell. Like, I would reorder it. Girl, I'm going to try new ones, girl. But, girl, y'all, I need the clothing. The clothing. Girl. Oh, girl, you know I'm drunk with that wine. Girl, excuse me. I just almost died. But, y'all, I need cute Asian outfits to go with this stuff, y'all. Girl. Cute. Girl, last week, no, I got 2 more wigs, girl. Y'all, this is what, 1, 2, this is 3, y'all. Let me know what y'all feeling about 3, girl, because I'm feeling what I'm feeling, and I'm feeling good, girl. This video just makes me feel so good. Oh, girl, it's grabbing me. Oh, girl, it grabbed me. It won't let me go. She loved me that much, girl. I cannot, girl. When I tell you, I think them are my favorites. Girl, these people know my heart. They know what I need. They know, girl. Girl, this is such a fun video, y'all. I know what y'all used to, but girl, this just brings me so much joy, girl. Seeing how cute these damn wigs is, girl. Oh, girl, it just put a thump in my spirit. Oh, God. This is the next one, y'all. Y'all ready? Oh, girl, I look like them, girl, what was them little short, little midget things? The little, dwarfs or midget, I don't know. Don't let me disrespect, but you know, the little people thing on the Willy Wonka, girl. Oh, girl. But y'all know I stay setting it off. I mean, who would I be to not set it off with the puff ball? I mean, come on now. Y'all know me. It ain't nothing for me to set it off. On the left, y'all set it off on. Oh, girl, I got these the wrong way. Oh. Okay. Oh, girl, y'all help me. Somebody. Okay. Girl, I mean, girl, this is cute. It look a little more synthetic than the other ones, but she's still rocking how she rocking. You feel me? She cute. Oh, girl. Oh, don't poke my eye now. Oh, y'all know. Oh, girl, y'all know that feeling. Oh, girl, look at that. Girl, I'm finna be, y'all, can some of y'all help me be like the little Asian girl? I feel like I even got, y'all know I'm kind of big now. I feel like these wigs made me smaller, girl. I think I lost 10 pounds just from the wigs, girl. Oh, I'm about to take her off. Like, no, girl, I don't know how to do that. Let me just put her back. Okay, last wig, y'all. Y'all, please let me know which one y'all like the best, girl, because, oh, girl, this is number 4. All right, last one. And this was the only kind of slightly regular one I got, girl, because it's just a little shabab bob. Girl, she's a shabab bob. Ooh. Girl, I had to throw me a little fall bob, you know, for the fall. You know, it's getting cool out here, so girl, you know, I need to be cutting this hot girl summer off, girl, and going and throwing me a little fall wig on, girl. Let me see what it's giving me. See if it's giving what I'm giving. Let's see, girl. Ooh, ooh, baby, you ain't giving nothing, right? Ooh, ooh. Okay, baby, you ain't it. I thought you was gonna be a little something, but baby, you ain't. Okay, wait a minute now. Ooh, girl. Ooh, baby, you a little too. See, this one ain't full enough. But you know what? These be looking cute. Okay, hold on, baby. Maybe y'all tell me what y'all use to tease the hair and make it full. Girl, I mean, girl, I like T-Boz. T-Boz, is you? Baby, baby, baby. I got so much love in me. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Oh, baby, when I get me on, you got to love me. Oh, look at that part. Girl, y'all. Let me know what you think about these wigs, girl. Let me know how y'all feeling and what I'm giving. Y'all let me know which wig was the best one that you like the most, the moist. Girl, it's hard to talk when you got all these narcotics on your tongue. Now I'm just playing all this wine on your tongue, girl. Anyway, y'all pick out of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one is 5. Ooh, yeah, this one ain't. I don't like this one. Girl, I do look like T-Boz though. It ain't that it ain't cute. No shade to T-Boz, because T-Boz is really, really pretty, girl. She's still pretty. But anyway, y'all, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.